What is it? Do you like your new toy? Do you want your new toy? There you go. There you go. Looks like you have plenty to play with down there. Yeah. Yeah. Do you like your dinosaur friend too? Are you having fun down there? Emmy? Do you have anything else to say, or are you too busy chewing on stuff? Yeah. Sup? Are you showing me your belly? Yeah. You are a giggly girl. Yes, you are, and you make funny velociraptor noises. You talking to the camera? You are a funny one. Yes, you are a funny one. Okay, I'm going to end the movie now. Do you have any final things to say? Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.